Hello everybody. I don't know what part this is. It might be 7, 8, somewhere in there, of hailstorm recovery. Got the new doors installed, and I have added a vintage air conditioned plaque to let everybody know this is indeed air conditioned. I guess they all come standard with pet doors now, but I think I could use that to my advantage for some ventilation. Same deal here with the back door on the house. All good to go and working well. And last but not least, the Cedar shakes have been replaced. A little bit narrower than the originals, but overall they look just fine, and I can live with that. The other ones were getting quite beat up from decades of hailstorms, and that last one just finished them off. I'm happy with that. They look pretty good. A little closer up look. So once again, hailstorm recovery part 8, I believe. Thank you for watching.